Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video I want to show you how can using OLED, how can displaying anything on OLED using STM32. So right we start, we can, as you remember, we have to use STM32 cubic and K. So let's start for the STM32 cubic max. Already we start. Access to MCU selector. Next, we have to select STM32 board you have. Right now, we have STM32. STM32 F103C8T6. And then press here, select, and then start project. So already our MCU is ready. First, we need to go to the system core, system, debug, serial wire. We activate serial wire for debugging. You see PA1, PA14, and PA13. This is for clock, this is for SD. And the next, what is the next? We need to choose the port for our OLED. So we go to the connector, we choose I2, I2C1, then I2C1. Already we see we have two pin PB7 and PB6. This is clock, this is SD, serial data, and this is clock. So already it's done. And the next we have to generating the code. So before we need to come on the project, go to the project manager, and then we're changing to the tool channel or ID because we need to generating code in K. Choose MDKM and then generating code. Okay, I forgetting to putting the name. So the name is already. Let's selecting the browser. Let's putting on desktop. Yep, on desktop. Create file on desktop. New file OLED. It's okay. New file OLED and then putting OLED. So and then next generate. So after our code is successfully generated, so we need to choose to close or to opening the project right now. Right, opening project right now I think is good. Or the project is ready. So this is the code generated. Go to the application user core, open, and then debug for checking if there is any error. I think you have zero error because there's nothing. If you have error on this stage, you need to Start again our video and then you look again. Yes, we have zero error. What is the next? So the next is this one. We need to add the go to the OLED, the name of your project, add group, and then press and hold mouse on this group, and then changing the group name, hardware. It's okay. And then we need to add library in this hardware. We need to add that library for the our OLED. So look on this look link below. On my GitHub, you can download the library. It's okay for me. I have it, so no need to download it again. So let's go here and then use. So open this file already. Open and then creating the file, new folder, hardware. And then paste inside, can create OLED. So after this one, come back to our cage, right click, add existing the file to the group hardware. Go to the hardware, OLED, font, select, add, go back, add, and then close. After, come back to the OLED, option, target, OLED, C++, press here, 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 OLED, hardware, OLED. Okay. Okay. And then next you see on hardware, you have this file. The next you have to copy this one. Here I'm putting font .h and STM32F103C8T6 right, and then user code begin to. We have to initialize our STD1306. This is the name of our OLED. So it's so SD1306 initialize, and then after SD1306 go to X. We need to starting for y0, y on 0, and x on 0, and then it's okay. And then what is the next? ST106 put So we need string, put hash drag 250, hash drag is enough, and then the next front one, this one to the next is the color, putting one, it's okay. And then what is the next? ST1306, and then updating in our screen, right? Update. So already we done. So and then compiler. Already you have zero error. Don't get to the warning and then download. Now we're done. Everything's working. Already you see our red is displaying hash drag. Some means we succeed our project. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more video. Thank you. Bye bye.